Peace, welcome back to the vlog. So just like the title said, today we're going to fix the error I did in a previous video. So the error when I was installing the torque solution short shifter, when I went into the engine bay and started working on the bushing, which is in there. So we have to take all this apart and try to fix it. So what the error was is, if you guys remember, this is like a selector lever for when you start changing gear and stuff. And as I stripped this part right here, and so the bolt went in, but it wasn't as tight. So it's tight, but it's not tight, you know, so it's a little sketchy. So I went ahead, ordered a new one. We got the Lowe's, and we got some of these nuts, and we're gonna replace this new one with the old one. So yeah, unfortunately it happens. That's okay to drive with it right there, but I'm still, you know, I want the Evo to be at its full potential. So I don't want to feel like I'm sketching out when I'm driving. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace that piece and call it a day. So let's just take these things out and replace that piece. All right, peeps, so I removed it. Looks like it's still intact, but yeah, it's better to put a new one in here, lube it up correctly, and yeah, let's go move on with our life. All right, got it out. Put some lube on it, or grease. All right, and now we're just gonna assemble it. So guys, here's the finished product. Put the rubber thing back in, or I think it's a plastic thing, I'm not sure. And that's how the new thing looks. Looks pretty good. It's extremely tight now. I'm gonna put that black cap back on, and then I'll put it inside the car. For this lever here, I got it from this guy on Facebook Market. I think he does OEM parts, so I'm gonna link him, and also I'll link the so I'll put the size of these nuts for you guys to know. Actually, I'll just let you guys know right now. So I got it from Lowe's. You can pick it up at Lowe's. It's the M8 1.25 hex nut. So yeah, you could get this at Lowe's. So I'll zoom in. Here you go. So that's it. I'm gonna put it back in, and yeah. So remember, this STP grease is from AutoZone, so you can pick that up at AutoZone as well if you didn't watch the last video. So here we go. STP grease, high temp. There it is. And all right, let me put it back in the car. All right, peeps, I put it back into its original spot. I don't know if you guys can see it there. Put the bushing back on, the pins back on. Everything looks good. Now I'm just gonna put the intake back in and then call it a day. Well, call this complete. All right, peeps, everything's back in. Everything's back intact. Just a little update. We do need to fix some of this areas in the engine bay. I need to get a better solution for this blow-off valve instead of cutting this pipe and instead of cutting this rubber tube and zip tie it on the bottom. So do need a new upper intercooler piping. I want to powder coat some of these stuff in the future, but not right now. I need a dual clutch can coming out here, and then eventually I want to work this car into around 500 horsepower. So there's a bunch of things we're going to have to change eventually in the future, but it's just not right now. I'm just gonna slowly get the parts in and then install it at once, like, you know. So we got to kind of figure out what turbo we want and go from there. So gonna have to a little bit of dress up for the engine, make it look a little cleaner than it is. Still have to do that hose. I haven't done it yet. Too bad I put the zip tie away, so do that some other day. But yeah, let's check on see if we have any issue shifting. Is fine, reverse is fine as well. So all right, yeah, everything seems fine. This clicking noise, definitely. I got the red line cocktail fluid, and it was installed when I had my clutch installs. I don't know if he actually used it, so I had a bunch of issue, as you know, with the person who installed my clutch. So I might have to reorder the transmission fluid, and then, you know, see if I could get that third gear crunch away. So but yeah, we're gonna go a little test drive here in a little bit and get to feel the car, and I'm just gonna talk a little bit about future plans for the car. All right, peeps, so we're gonna, so far I just took it out the block pretty much, and you know, the shifting feels fine. So let's go raise the RPM up a little bit and do a little shifting, but I'm pretty sure it's okay. The last time where I didn't put that little white plastic in correctly, it was pretty much harder to shift, and it was a little tilted to the left. Look back on the forums video, and I was able to put it on correctly, and it was pretty smooth. I don't know, like I said, when I installed that short shifter from Torque Solution, I don't know what I did wrong, but it wasn't feeling right to me. But I actually gave that to a friend. His name's Tim. He also had an Evo. I was like, hey man, I'm not going to use it. I'm going to actually look for the WK short shifter, a different short shifter. So I let him use it. I mean, I let him have it, and he installed it in his Evo, and he likes it perfectly fine. So pretty much it was, I probably put it in wrong, or I didn't lube it up enough. But yeah, but that's fine. I'm glad he's happy with it. I'm okay. You know, I got the bushing in, so I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, shifting to fourth is not too bad. Here we go. Yep, it feels fine. So we did a great job on this one. Hopefully, you know, I don't mess up any other parts and have to rebuy OEM parts and put it back in. But it was pretty helpful. I forgot the guy's name, but he's on Facebook. Definitely link him below. He actually got me the lever. I didn't even know the name of this lever. I was like, yo, it's just this gear selector thingy, and he PM'd me and got me the parts. So I got it in a couple days later, and it was pretty cheap. So pretty happy with that. As far as the Evo go, I took the cob down. I actually posted on Facebook Market, and somebody actually offered to buy it. So I'm gonna go send it to him. I'm looking for the dual gauge pods right here, so we put it right here. But I haven't decided quite well what I want. I might, like I said, it's probably 90% sure that I'm gonna go with the carbon fiber racing ones, which I'm gonna place an order soon. I do have the 2 gauge already by 8 AM, so I'm gonna install that. Hopefully I can install that. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it, but I mean, if other people, if there's good instruction video, which I'm pretty sure extra slow, if he has some good instruction video, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to do it. So yeah, car's so much faster with the tune. You actually hear the car, you actually hear the, I mean, it's just, the car's a whole lot faster with the new tune. Very happy, very happy. We might try to launch this car soon. You know, I never launched this car before, like I said. But so yeah, we never know. We're probably gonna have to try it out and see how it feels. But yes. So as far as the wrap job going, like you see in the previous video, we picked out the color. As far as when we're gonna do it, it's still up in the air. Whenever I get the appointment date from Kiet, that's when we go in and work on it, get it done. But yeah, we definitely just waiting on that appointment date, and we get the wrap in. I still have the splitter that needs to be installed. Is at Kiet's shop. I think yeah, it's still at Kiet's shop. So it's APR front splitter, carbon fiber. It has the rods and everything in it because I bought it brand new. I need to get actual side skirt extension. That's what I originally wanted to get at the beginning, but all I got is a replacement side skirt. So definitely need to get that. Next year we go wide body, because this, like I said, this is a show car. I'm not trying to go track it or anything, because obviously I don't drive fast. My skill as driving is just a daily driver, not as a race car driver or anything like that. So I'm not gonna try, not gonna pretend, not gonna try, because I really don't want to break the car. But I'm looking at getting a nice Various wide body kit for this. I'm not gonna get all at once, so maybe piece by piece. By the summer next year, we'll be able to have it on the car. That means looking at new wheels, you know, and possibly a whole paint job inside and out. So I do like the white on the car, but you know, I'm always been thrown into like a weird color, like bright purple, off orange, or like neon green or something like that. I really like brighter colors for the car. That's why obviously you tell my wrap, it's a dark color, but it's actually bright. So I really like that. But that's further in the future. For this winter here, I'm just gonna enjoy the car, hanging out with the crew, and you know, yeah, just chill, just relax, you know, learn more about the car itself, and who knows what we're gonna do next for the car. I don't know what we're gonna do next for the car, so I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you guys. So just I guess look forward to the future videos. And yeah, let's just see how this car goes. I am looking for another vehicle, not a vehicle to hook up per se. I'm actually looking for a truck, because the reason why I'm getting a truck is not really, you know, so when we totaled my other vehicle, which is the RAV4, we've been meaning to buy a new vehicle, but COVID hit in March, and then everything just stopped there. But now everything started getting back to normal, so I just want to look into another vehicle more. So we got a car, we got 2 cars, we got a van. Now I'm thinking we should get a truck, because in the future I would like to get a 5th wheel, and I need a truck to be able to pull it. And we could, you know, I like to go on a like short vacation. I like to go on short vacation with my family. I like to go to like parks or, you know, stuff like that, and just camp out. You know, I've done a lot of camping in the Marine Corps, so I just want to, you know, sort of like camp out with my family. You know, head to Ocean City instead of go hotel, pull in with the 5th wheel and just hang out with the family, barbecue right there. I want to do something like that. So I am looking for a truck. I'm not sure what type of truck I'm going for. I don't know if I'm getting, you know, like a higher powered truck, you know, 1500, 2500, you know, 3500. I'm looking for a Ram. I think I want to go for the Ram, or a dually. I'm not exactly sure yet, so I'm gonna have to do a lot more research, and then I'll let you guys know. But yeah, that's as far as for the future of this vlog. It's mostly going to be about the Evo, maybe a little bit about the truck, and if we get the 5th wheel next year. This is one of my favorite vehicle of all time. I had an Evo 8 before this, and I also had an Evo 10, but I never put as much effort as I have into the vehicles as I did on this one. I mean, not because of the YouTube channel. YouTube channel is a plus, you know. I'm not doing it because of YouTube. I'm doing it because I want to do it. So yeah, I'm really excited what's going on with the progress, with the build so far. But yeah, stay tuned to the vlog, peeps, and I'll show you guys more, you know. God, I need a garage. The Evo is so dirty. Cleaned it so many times. So many times. Alright, peeps, that's it for the vlog. Got home safe, the car is fine. Everything is okay. And yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Peace.